Hello friends, welcome back to this session. So in this session we are going to understand how we are going to build a Docker image, and the same Docker image we are going to push over the Azure registry. So we are going to completely take the full demo where we do the Docker build, Azure CLI login, the different command of the Azure CLI, and the creation of the Azure registry to push the Docker image. So let's see what are steps we are going to discuss here. So we will see the prerequisite setup like Docker and Azure CLI. We will check the Azure login using the CLI. We will create Azure Container Registry. Then we do the build of the Docker. Then again we will check the login of the Azure ACR, the new ACR which we have created. Take the Docker image, then push the Docker image to the ACR, and that last we will validate the Azure portal has been reached the new image or not. And we'll also validate the image using the pool to the locally, and we'll try to run that image over the locally. So right now I'm on my VS Code CLI here, and we'll completely do the demo over the VS Code here. So let me do the different command setup here. Okay, so our first command is AZ login. So we have to run the AZ login over here. So this will do login over my Azure account. So my login has been completed. Its authenticated part is completed. Now my system is logged in with the Azure account through the Azure CLI. Once we have login, we have to validate our resource group is present or not. So that is required. So let me go to my resource group here. So you can go with the top resource group icon. So our resource group is created. My resource group is here. You can see. And then we have to go to our registry. So let me go to the registry part here, container registry. So container registry, I think there is already one registry is created. Let me delete here. So here you can see the command ACR create. So Azure Container Registry create resource group. We have given what we have created, and this is our ACR name. So my first example 2. So this is the location region where we are creating our ACR. So I'm just creating this ACR and number 2 here. My first example 2 is created here. You can see the registry 2 is created here. Now we have to build our Docker part here. So I'm just creating my Docker. Docker file is already there. You can see that it's a simple Alpine image, and we are doing the Docker build. And I given the command my app. Then I given the name is the my app. And this is going to build our Docker image. So once Docker image is built, we will log into the ACR, and then we'll go to the tagging and the pushing part. So this is building here. You can see Docker image is building here. So this is the process of the Docker image. I'm running my command over the VS Code. Okay, so Docker image is built successfully. I'm just clearing my screen so you can see the clearly visible the command. Now we are going to the login to the ACR. So since we have created the ACR name, my first example 2, I'm giving the name the login ACR my first example 2. So this will going to login into my Azure ACR example 2. Once this command giving the successful result, then we'll go into the push part. So we'll tag our image, and then we'll push the image over the Azure ACR. So login successfully is done. Now let's make the tagging part here. So image is there, just we have to make the tag. So I'm just giving the tag here. So our image name was my app, and we are giving the tagging with my first example 2. So here we are passing our ACR name. So this is the ACR name. My image is our repositories inside the image name. So tagging is done. Now let's push the image here. So now we have to push the image to the Azure ACR. So this is the push command here. You can see my first example, this is the ACR URL, the name of their image, and this is now pushing to the Azure ACR. So this is started pushing here. You can see. So this progress will take a couple of minutes. So let's wait for a while. Okay, so my image has been pushed. Let's go and validate the image is pushed or not over the console. So right now I'm inside the example 2. Go inside the repository here in the section inside, and your image should be visible here. So my image is here. You can see the image is pushed here successfully. Okay, so image is pushed successfully. So I think our first part is the building the Docker image and pushing image to the Azure ACR is done. Now let's try to do some more experiment over the image what we have pushed over here. So I'm just pulling my image. So we have pushed image. So now let's try to pull image from the Azure ACR. So pull is Docker pull command. Since we have already logged in, so this pull will work successfully. And you can see I given the ACR name here. So I'm just creating here. So this pull will pulling the image from the Azure ACR. So you can see image has been pulled successfully. Let me clear this one. And let's run the same image here. So if I want to run for validation part, so let me run here. So this image will going to run locally. So you can see this is the hello Docker is pushed. You can see the output hello Docker.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.